Hi there, this is Vince from Italy Tech Repeat, and today we're going to view the iOS 14 on the BMW 5 Series. Okay, so one of the first things that I wanted to show you about the CarPlay for iOS 14, very clearly you can see the brand new wallpaper function, the new wallpaper feature, which is, I know it's a tiny thing, but it's a big addition because it makes it look not just vibrant, but just different from the norm. So for this particular demo, I mean, again, obviously you can use the touch screen, but for this particular demo, we're going to use the gear knob because that's or the dial knob for the 5 Series because I'm used to using that. So what we'll do is we'll go through settings, and you can automatically see in there the wallpaper function, the wallpaper option. So we'll click on that, and very easy, you can pick on different colors available. You can pick just solid ones, and the reason why it has that, you know, circly thing around it is it's a light and a dark feature which you can turn on and off. So click set on that one, and there you go. Easy as that. One of the other things that's obviously changed is the Siri animation, exactly identical to the ones that you get on iPad OS 14 and iOS 14 on the iPhone or the iPad. When you click on the Siri button on your BMW 5 Series, which is this one, you'll see that it has a different animation button there, which actually looks quite cool in my opinion. And speaking of Siri, you can actually share your ETA now using Siri. Now, the Share ETA button is something that was available before anyway, where you click on this and then you can click Share ETA and share with your friends or family or whoever. Now you can just use your voice and just do something like this. Share my ETA to my wife.
Just a moment. Okay, now sharing your $sign, TTS print and say, ETA, ETA, with Philippa Felix using maps.
Again, I know that sounded funny with some weird characters like the $sign and all that stuff, but obviously that's a bug in the code because this is still in beta. So as you can see, it's now sharing with my wife Pippa right at the bottom there, and it's as easy as that now compared to having to click stuff while driving. So that's it really. Hopefully you found that video helpful. Gives you a great insight on CarPlay on beta at the moment for iOS 14. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type them down below. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our videos for notifications on new stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.